In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an HTML sitemap for your website. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. From the WordPress dashboard, head on over to the All-in-One SEO menu and click on Sitemaps. This brings us to the sitemap page. We're on the general sitemap page here. We can see that we have the sitemap enabled. You can click on this big blue button and open the sitemap. But this is showing you our XML sitemap. So here's an XML sitemap for post and also one for pages. XML sitemaps are really meant to be consumed by search engines like Google. We have another video where we show you how to create XML sitemaps. I'll link to that later on in this video. So back on the sitemap page here, if we click on the tab on top that says HTML sitemap, that'll take us where we want to go. And again, there's another toggle switch here you can see that you can use to enable or disable the sitemap. It's enabled by default. Below that, there's 5 different ways that we can show the sitemap. So we can show it as a dedicated page, a block in Gutenberg that you can edit like other blocks, a short code that you can drop into your post or pages, a widget, or a piece of PHP code that you can drop in. So today I'm just going to show you how to do the dedicated page. Below the 5 ways that you can display your sitemap is a place where you can type in a name for your sitemap. So I'm just going to keep it very simple and call it sitemap. There's a button here that says Open HTML Sitemap, but we need to save our changes first. I'm not going to do that yet because I want to scroll down to the next section that shows you the HTML Sitemap Settings. The first section is called Post Types, so this is telling us which types of post we want to include in the sitemap, post or pages or both. We can deselect post if we only want to do pages, or deselect pages if we only want to do post, or click this to select all post types. We can include all taxonomies, or we could leave out tags out of our sitemap, for example. The next section is titled Sort Order, and this is how the sitemap is going to be ordered. I'm going to choose alphabetical for this example. The direction is ascending or descending. I'm going to go with ascending. I'm going to show the publication date, but you could also choose to hide it in your sitemap if you wanted to. And then there's a compact archive setting, which allows you to choose between a regular sitemap or a compact date archive sitemap. I'm going to go ahead and leave this disabled and use the regular sitemap. Below that, there are some advanced settings. Most users can just leave this alone and just click Save Changes, but if you're curious, I can put the toggle switch on and we can take a look at the advanced settings. So we could exclude certain pages from the sitemap and we could exclude certain terms from the sitemap. I'm going to go ahead and click Save Changes here. And then I'm going to scroll back up to that button that I was talking about earlier that is now blue and says Open HTML Sitemap so we can view our sitemap. And here we have a sitemap of all the content on our site. This one is being listed alphabetically, so numbers come first, and then it's going A through Z with every single piece of content on our site. All created automatically by our AIO SEO plugin. So that's how to create an HTML sitemap for your website. If you click on this next video over here, I'll show you how to create an XML sitemap. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, All-in-One SEO.